Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the screen refresh rate in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So I'm sure most of you have heard nowadays that a screen refresh rate like 120, 60, 90 Hz in the mobile technology world, that is like in Android smartphones, that you are most commonly heard, or you can see a 90, 120 Hz, 144 Hz. But what about the Windows computers? So still you can to have a screen refresh rate in your respective Windows computers too. So how you can find it? So firstly, what you need to do, you need to click on the start menu and you need to click on the settings. So right now I'm using a Windows 10, so you can click on the Windows and click on settings. So once you click on settings, so here you can see system, just click on it. So under the system you can see in the first option a display, just click on it. On the right side, just scroll down. So here you can see option name as advanced display settings, just click on it. And here you can see a refresh rate. As you can see here, my screen refresh rate is 60 Hz. So by going to the settings, and under the settings, by going to the display options and the advanced display settings, you will find this refresh rate of your respective Windows computer. So in the Windows 10 you can use this tutorial, but if you're using a Windows 7 or older Windows operating system, then what you need to do, you need to open the control panel and you can search here for the name as display. You can search a display, but in Windows 10 this option, display option, has been moved to the settings. As you can see here, it's being moved to the newer settings option. So you won't get a display settings in control panel for the Windows 10 computer, but if you're using a Windows 7 or older versions, then you can go to the control panel and search for display, and similarly after display you can get the same option like advanced display settings even in your Windows 7. And when you click on the advanced display settings, then it will show you the screen refresh rate of your respective Windows computer. So in this way you can find out the screen refresh rate in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about how to find out the screen refresh rate in Windows computers, then check it out today. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.